Okay, so now we're going to talk about probably my favorite part of building a WordPress website. It's the most fun for me, and that is finding themes and plugins to go with my website. Now, themes, that's so much fun. I love browsing the thousands of different themes there are and really finding a theme that suits my website and what I'm trying to accomplish. Now, themes, there are all kinds of themes that are so unique and very customizable. So you really have to know what you're looking for. All right, there's themes that turn your website into something you could have never have imagined with its functionality. Okay, now there's all kinds of free themes and there's all kinds of paid themes. And same thing for plugins. Thousands of free plugins, and then there are premium plugins that cost money. All right, so let's take a look at the themes first. And the way we're going to change our theme is we're going to click on Appearance right here. And then click on Themes, okay? And we're going to see this screen here. By default, your WordPress website is going to come with two themes. And these are both themes that are created by WordPress themselves. Each year, they come out with a brand new theme. So all the themes that you have installed on your WordPress website will be listed here. And you can switch back and forth and activate the ones you want to activate at any time. So if we scroll down a little bit here, you will see I could activate this one right now. It's already installed. I just click on Activate, and it's activated. If I go back to my website and I refresh it, you're going to see we have the new theme here instead of that one. See, just like that. We have the same pages. We have the same posts. We have everything's the exact same. The layout is just different, okay? And this one's more of a plain basic theme, all right? So how do we get new themes? Well, there's a few ways you can do that. For one, you can browse for new themes inside of WordPress dashboard itself. By doing that, you click on Install Themes, and you see the new screen here. Okay, the first option we have is search. This is where we can search for a new theme. Okay, you can search by keyword or you can search by filters. You can choose a color that you want. For example, let's say I want a blue theme. How many columns do you want? I want it to be, I'll accept 1 column, 2 column, or 3 column. And I will accept a left sidebar or a right sidebar. Any certain features do you want? Now this means, does it integrate with, do you want full width pages? Does the theme have to be able to have full width pages? Do you want to be able to implement your own custom background? Yes or no? Do you want to be able to have a custom header? Do you want to be able to have a custom menu? Do you want to be able to use BuddyPress, which is a plugin? Do you want a flexible header? These are all preferences up to you, okay? And then do you have a certain subject that you want the theme to focus around? And once you select what you want, you click on Find Themes. And they give you a list of all kinds of themes that you can use that are completely 100% free. All you have to do is click on Install Now if you see one that you like. You can also preview the theme and see what it looks like firsthand before you actually install it. Alright, so let's install one and see. What about this one right here? I like that. Let's click on Preview and see what that looks like. There we go. And this is what it would look like on my website. Okay, these are the blog posts here. Elements is one blog post. Worth 1,000 words is another blog post. We have our sidebar over here. We have our navigation menu up here. That's fine. So let's say I wanted that. If I previewed it, I could hit install from this window. Or if I go back, I can hit install from this window. Okay, so let's click on Install Now. And it will take us to another screen where it already installed it. Now, from here, I can activate it. And there you go. It's officially activated. Go back to our website here. Let's refresh it. And there you go. See, it's updated now with the new theme. Pretty cool, right? Pretty simple. You can see the look is way different than what we had before. Let's see what our pages look like here. See? Much different. Much colored. Colors all different. Everything's different. Really cool. Now, if we go back, we can customize this theme. Now, when you add themes to your WordPress blog, almost every single theme is going to have its own custom options menu. As you can see, this theme is called Facade. I'm going to assume it's pronounced Facade. Facade. All right, Facade. We have here the Facade options. Okay, click on that. And there you go. This theme gives us a whole dashboard of its own custom options. Now, each theme has its own custom options. We can have the custom homepage bar. that we can change the layout to 1 column, 2 column, or 3 column, and which side do you want the sidebar on. That's pretty cool. Miscellaneous options, our general settings, our email. If you want to insert any header or footer code or links like Google Analytics, things like that, you can insert them here. So pretty cool, right? And you hit Save Changes at the bottom whenever you want that. And if you don't like this theme, no problem. You go back to Themes over here, and you can switch back to any one of these by simply clicking on Activate, okay? Pretty cool. Now, another way you can find themes is by going to the WordPress website where they have their themes listed. I will put a link to the right of this video, so you can go to this website. This is the actual WordPress website. This is the same database as we just browsed inside of the dashboard, but some people might like it better like this. Over on the right-hand side, we have the most popular themes that have been downloaded. You can see this has been downloaded 21,000 times. We have the newest themes that have been added, the recently updated themes. And you can also just browse through here the same way. Let's take a look at the most popular theme and see what that looks like. Pretty simple theme, huh? You can preview it. Let's click on that and see what that looks like. Okay, that's pretty cool, huh? It's a free theme. It's got its widget area here. That's pretty cool. It's responsive, and what that means is, responsive means that no matter what website or no matter what device that someone is viewing your website on, whether it's a phone, a computer, or a tablet, your website will look good. Your website will automatically adjust to fit the screen, the size of the screen that they are on. So responsive is pretty cool. A lot of themes are responsive, so I would look for a responsive theme if I were you. Okay, so let's imagine that you were browsing this website for a theme you liked, and you like this theme. Okay, so how do you upload it from this website? Well, one way you can do it is you can actually go back here. We can go to Install Themes, and you can search for it. Okay, and you see it here. We can install it that way. But what if the theme you found on the internet is not on here? Okay, so how do you install it then? Okay, pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to go back here. We're going to click on Download. Okay, you're going to save this to your computer. All right, now once that's done saving, we're going to head back over to our dashboard. We're going to click on Upload. And you're going to browse for that zip file that we just downloaded. Okay, so I browsed for it and I got it selected here. We're going to click Install Now. Awesome. It says it has been installed successfully, so let's activate that and see, make sure it's working okay. And there we go. It looks pretty good. Let's go over here and refresh our page. Awesome. There you have it. It is now on our website, and now we can customize this. Now let's see if they have a custom options over here, just like the last one did. Let's head back over here. And as you see, we have a themes option button that is here that was not here before. Click on that. And there you go. We have a drop-down menu to customize this theme any way we want to. We can have our own custom logo, edit our homepage however we want. Now, this actually points out, I like this. This is a good idea here. On the previous video, we covered pages and posts. And I said some websites don't use posts at all. As you can see here, this website does not focus around blog post, okay? You see no section for your post. The home page is a regular page that you would create. This is a regular page that you would create just like one of these, okay? That's exactly what this is. There is no blog post on this theme, all right? So that's what I mean when I say some people don't use it for blog. They use it just for a CMS website. This is a CMS website. It's just pages. There's no post at all on here, okay? So that's the difference. Finding a theme is really fun. And there's also premium themes, okay? Let me show you a website where you can find themes. If you have a little bit of a budget and you'd like to spend it, I can show you where you can find a whole lot better themes than these free ones. Okay, here we are on a site called Theme Forest, okay? Themeforest.net, and this site is all premium themes for all kinds of different websites, and WordPress is one of those websites. So if we click on WordPress, okay, we can sort this by cells. There is a navigation menu over here where you can sort it by different categories, all right? And these are the most popular themes on the website. So let's click on this one, for example, and see what it looks like. Live preview. Right, here we are. Now this is a WordPress website. Doesn't look like it, does it? It looks very professional, right? This is used just for CMS. There's no blog here. They have a blog over here, but their homepage is not a blog. They have a custom slider up here with images. They have bullet points. This is what I like to call a sales page. See, they're pointing out all the different features, and you can build this. You can build this entire thing. Look at this functionality. You can build this entire thing within your WordPress blog. That is really neat, right? Look how detailed and awesome this looks. Let's go up here and see what the blog looks like, just in case you wanted a blog. Grid. Look, this is their blog. These are 3 different posts here. A grid style layout for your blog. 1, 2, 3. 3 more posts. They have different styles here. Let's try a different style. How about a timeline blog? May 2013, April 2013. What about a home blog style? Let's see what that looks like. See, pretty neat, right? And it has a sidebar on this one. It's pretty awesome, right? These are premium themes. And this website has thousands and thousands of premium themes that you can download for all different types of websites and different styles and portfolio type websites. Just all kinds of selections. And if you wanted to buy it, you would simply pay the price that they're asking for, and they will provide you with a zip file like we just downloaded a second ago, and you would come into your WordPress website and you would go to install and you would upload that website, the zip file that you downloaded. Pretty simple, okay? Now plugins, they're exactly the same. You can search for plugins the exact same way, and you upload plugins the exact same way, okay? Here's the website for plugins. I'll put a link to this on the right as well, to the right of this video, where you can browse all the plugins. They have a featured section of plugins and what that plugin does for your website. They have the most popular plugins. And if you find one you want on this website, all the ones on the WordPress website are completely free. So if you want one, for example, the contact form 7, if you want that, I recommend going back to your website, going to add new, and you can search. I would search contact form 7. Search that. And that's the one right here. You can install that. Simply click on install now. Click on OK. And activate. And just like that, your plugin has been activated. And as you can see, it automatically added an option over here for contacts. When you click on that, that gives you the option for that plugin, which I'll go over that plugin at a later date. Okay, click on add new. You can also browse plugins from this window as well. You can click on featured and see all the featured plugins that are listed. This is the exact same list that is right here. Okay, you can go to popular, newest, and favorites. Okay, and there's also premium plugins. If we head over to codecanyon.net, which is another website from ThemeForest, they're all the same thing, just different names. This is a premium WordPress directory. Go to WordPress, click on that. We'll go to popular items, for example. Let's sort it by sales as well. And these are all premium WordPress plugins that you can add to your website. For example, Uber Menu. This gives you custom menus for your WordPress blog. Makes your blog stand out that much more. You can add a slider to your blog. See a live preview of what this looks like. See, this is a slider right here. You can add this to your blog. Okay, pretty cool, right? Let's go back and see what else they have here. Another slider, a visual composer, a form builder, another slider. It's like sliders are really popular on here right now. You can add an image grid. Just anything and everything you can imagine, there's a plugin for it, and I really mean that. It's almost like an app for your phone. You know that saying for your phone? Hey, there's an app for that. Well, there's a plugin for WordPress. For something you want, there is definitely a plugin for it. Now, there are all kinds of different websites that offer premium plugins. These are just two of my favorites. They have a bigger selection, but you can find premium themes and premium plugins wherever you want. Let's head back to our website real quick. And if you ever wanted to deactivate a plugin, it's simple. You just go to your plugin section by clicking on plugins and then click deactivate. And then once you deactivate it, it will then give you the option to delete it if you no longer want it on your website, okay? We're going to leave that one activated though. And down below in another video, we're going to go over some plugins that you need to have on your website and why you need to have them, okay? Some essential plugins. We're going to go over that. But that's how you add plugins. You can go here and look at the top most popular plugins, and you probably need a majority of these. They're popular for a reason. They all do something that really increases, the effectiveness of your website. Okay, guys? This is the funnest part. You're going to spend hours looking for an awesome theme. I get so addicted to just looking at themes nonstop. And I don't blame you. I go to ThemeForce. I just look at all the top selling themes all the time and how amazing and beautifully designed they are. So spend a little time, find an awesome theme that really suits what you're looking for, and get that bad boy uploaded to your server, and let's move on to the next video.